So today we're going to talk about opacity. Welcome, MIM Society. I am Jesse Dixon, also known as the most interesting man. And without further ado, let's do further. So I created my own version of Ohayo simply because it's easier to show you by visual how to do it than just talk about it. How I achieved this look was taking a clean plate of the background. And so what a clean plate is basically the exact same shot, but with nothing in it. So that way I can still add my character in on top of that clean plate to be able to accomplish the part where I have the overlapping. Pretty much I needed that clean plate to be there so that it gives it that edge on the bottom, right? So we adjust the opacity 50%. 50% transparent over the top of the clean plate, so technically you're not even there. Now it's kind of a dance battle between what opacity looks good that brings the idea together. It can be used, I should say, in so many ways, that from just, again, creating a look like the Satoshi Kon's Ohayo, even to music video or creating animations that are beyond what Ohayo offers. I just thought it was a good try, and this is going to be the format that I will try to implement in the aspect of teaching the art of video editing. So with that being said, go out, play with the opacity of your videos, see what you can create. And yeah, opacity